just got to the rental car place. They open in 3 minutes. Drop off the rental car. Take my little scooter. Get back to the boat. Hopefully my diver is under my boat putting the prop back on. Or maybe he'll already be done by the time I get there. And then get back underway. Go out into the ocean. Do some sailing. I'm excited. It's official. We have a propeller that's not bent installed and working on the boat. It already feels so much smoother, and we haven't even left the dock yet. I'm just finishing up a couple things here. I had to replace a couple of these sail slides that broke, and finishing up some laundry, and then time for the open ocean. See you later, Intracoastal. Catch you in Florida. Well, not a whole lot of wind, but it is so nice to not have to worry about running anything over. I mean, knock on wood, but I don't have to worry about pipelines floating up and hitting my propellers. It's definitely a lot less stressful now that we're out here. Charleston is definitely in the rear view mirror now. You can barely make it out over the horizon there. I think this is the last land we'll see for about like 15 hours or so. Our next stop is Amelia Island. Just are passing right over Georgia and going straight to Florida. Trying to get that sunshine. And from all-time lows and fouling my prop to all-time highs, that pack of dolphins swimming at the bow of the boat. That was so cool. Oh, I've been waiting for that. sunset just happened. Now I get to go through the night. Albert's still here, but he's not feeling too hot right now. I don't know if he's gonna do a shift happening, or maybe I'll just drink like a energy drink or something and spend it all night. Feel pretty good right now. Eat though. Oh, also, we have like we have like 111 miles to go to get to the mouth of the inlet that we're going to. We're making like 5.5, 6 knots mostly. So we should make it before sunset tomorrow, which is the goal. Because I don't like going in new inlets or new anchorages or anything like that when it's dark. But right now we're on course to make it. It's sketchy coming to this close to these big ships at night, but I had to cross this shipping channel. I think I have maybe like 2 more ships that I have to make it past. And then I'll be a lot more comfortable. Next time on Sailing with Steven. Finally, we made it to Florida.